So I'm gonna hop right into this what I eat in a day video. For breakfast I had pancakes, vegan sausage, and tofu scramble. So I'm heating up the pan with a little oil and I'm sauteing some red peppers and onions. And now I'm just crumbling half a block of extra firm tofu into the pan. And I'm seasoning it with garlic powder, black pepper, and a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. I added a little turmeric for color as well. And I also added some kala namak, which is black salt. You can find it on Amazon. It gives it an eggy flavor due to the high sulfur content. The sausage I'm using is the veggie sausage by Light Life. I'm just cutting it into slices and then I'm going to form it into patties. I found this pancake mix at Sprouts and I wanted to give it a try because it's all vegan, no plant-based, and it's made from whole grains. It's very easy. All you do is add water. The batter was really thick, so I ended up adding a little bit more water to it. So I really liked the pancakes because they were nice and fluffy, just like the pancakes I used to eat growing up. And I also like the fact that it's whole grain, so it's a much healthier pancake as well. I didn't really have lunch because breakfast was filling, so I just had a strawberry milkshake. It was very easy to make. Right now I'm just slicing up about 6 strawberries. I'm just cutting the leaves off because I don't want the leaves in the milkshake. If it was a smoothie, then I would leave it, but this is different. So I'm adding 1 cup of almond milk, but if you want it thicker, you can add a half cup. If I were to make this again, which I will because it was good, then I would just add a half cup. But if you add too much almond milk, you can always add more strawberries and ice cream to thicken it. And I'm adding 4 scoops of the vanilla So Delicious ice cream. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of organic cane sugar, the strawberries, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then all you do is blend it up and you have a strawberry milkshake. For dinner, I made some mac and cheese and some vegan barbecue chicken to go with my mom's collard greens and potato salad. So I'm just boiling some elbow noodles right now. And once it's all done, I'm going to season it with some seasoned salt, some garlic powder, and some black pepper. And I'm adding this daiya cheese, the classic blend, or you can just use the regular cheddar one. And I'm pouring a little bit of almond milk into it. I didn't measure it, I guess it's about a half cup, but you can always add more if you need to. And then you just let the cheese melt, and once it's fully melted, you can turn the flame off. So for the chicken, I'm using this sweet and tangy barbecue wings by Gardein. I got this from Target. And I'm just sauteing it in the pan or cooking it on both sides. You can also cook it in the oven. And once that's done, I just pour the barbecue sauce that it came with on top and I mix it all together. You can actually turn the flame off at this point. I actually left it on by mistake and the barbecue sauce was splattering on me, so you should turn it off. And this is what I had for dinner, a nice hearty soul food dish. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Mac and cheese and barbecue chicken go very well together.